Rodney Lil Rod Jones officially amended his sexual abuse civil lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs on Monday to include Oscar-winning actor Cuba Gooding Jr. This comes just hours after the Department of Homeland Security raided Mr. Combs' residences in Los Angeles and Miami. The case was originally filed in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York. These accusations stem from an incident that allegedly occurred on a yacht rented by Mr. Combs in the U.S. Virgin Islands in January 2023. The plaintiff, identified as Mr. Jones, had initially filed a lawsuit in February, naming Mr. Gooding and accusing him of misconduct during the same event. According to the lawsuit, Mr. Combs purportedly introduced Mr. Jones to Mr. Gooding and subsequently left them alone together in a studio on board the yacht. Mr. Jones alleges that Gooding engaged in inappropriate touching, with Mr. Combs allegedly failing to intervene to prevent the misconduct. The lawsuit alleges Cuba Gooding Jr. began touching, groping, and fondling Mr. Jones' legs, his upper inner thighs near his groin, the small of his back near his buttocks and his shoulders. The legal complaint includes photographic evidence depicting interactions between the parties involved. Furthermore, Mr. Jones' lawsuit implicates other individuals, including rapper Young Miami and producer Stevie J, in separate incidents of sexual assault and misconduct. Mr. Jones alleges that Stevie J recruited sex workers for Mr. Jones. Adding another layer to the lawsuit, Mr. Jones, who partnered with Mr. Combs on the creation of the Love album, Off the Grid, alleges that despite significant contributions to the project, he has not been fairly compensated. Mr. Combs refutes the claims. The lawsuit's recent amendment, which adds Mr. Gooding as a defendant, coincides with reports of federal authorities conducting raids on Mr. Combs' residences in Los Angeles and Miami. These raids are reportedly part of a broader federal investigation into allegations of sexual assault and misconduct involving Mr. Combs. The recent legal action adds to a series of lawsuits against Mr. Gooding, who recently settled a lawsuit in June 2023 with a woman alleging rape in 2013. In the 2018 case, a cocktail waitress employed at Lavo Restaurant and Nightclub in New York accused Mr. Gooding of forcefully kissing her without consent. Mr. Gooding pleaded guilty to a charge associated with the incident last year. The lawsuit includes a segment of the transcript from an April 2022 hearing where Mr. Gooding acknowledged the behavior. The plaintiff requested anonymity. Mr. Gooding also pled guilty in a 2019 lawsuit by Kelsey Harbert, acknowledging the non-consensual physical contact in his statement. Following a judge's determination in October 2022 that Mr. Gooding had complied with the terms of a plea agreement, the actor received no jail time and changed his misdemeanor plea to a non-criminal harassment violation. Authorities have reported allegations of groping, unwanted advances, and other inappropriate conduct by Mr. Gooding from at least 30 women, often occurring after encounters at New York City nightlife venues.